Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on a window well restoration project. Have some before, some durings like this, and I'll have some afters. This is after a couple of cleanings and a couple of fillings. All these spots are nice and filled in everywhere and sanded down nice. I have a good product that I've used for a long time. It's perfect for this. There's about 6 different applications before you start to paint, but it takes all this nasty window wells, makes them look nice. So there's a big old hole right here. This guy was pretty bad too. Now he's smooth. Jade Alpine. You can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and watch over 2,000 videos on my projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. This is during our restoration process here on these window wells.